Hey everyone! Welcome to the Glow Grow Gold channel, your go-to channel for personal development and life transformation. Have you ever found yourself lost in your own thoughts, completely oblivious to the world around you? Perhaps you're walking down the street, but your mind is replaying a conversation from earlier, or worrying about an upcoming deadline. Maybe you're eating a meal, but you barely taste it because you're preoccupied with planning your day. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, many of us spend a significant portion of our lives on autopilot, disconnected from the present moment. But what if there was a way to break free from this mental chatter and truly experience life as it unfolds? Enter the practice of mindfulness. What is mindfulness? Mindfulness, at its core, is about cultivating a deep and unwavering awareness of the present moment. It's about being fully present and engaged in whatever is happening right now, without judgment or attachment. Imagine yourself sitting on the peaceful banks of a gently flowing river. Your thoughts, like leaves carried by the current, drift by effortlessly. You observe them with a sense of detachment, acknowledging their presence without getting caught up in their stories or emotions. Why is mindfulness important? Our minds are naturally wired to wander. They flit from thought to thought, often replaying past events or worrying about the future. This mental time travel can be useful for planning and problem solving, but it often comes at the expense of our present moment experience. We miss out on the beauty and richness of life unfolding around us because we're too preoccupied with what was or what might be. Benefits of mindfulness. Mindfulness invites us to gently break free from this mental autopilot and cultivate a deeper connection to the here and now. It's about learning to observe our thoughts and feelings with a sense of curiosity and acceptance, without getting swept away by them. It's about savoring the simple pleasures of life. The warmth of the sun on our skin, the taste of a delicious meal, the sound of laughter from a loved one. By anchoring ourselves in the present moment, we can reduce stress, enhance our well-being, and experience life with greater clarity and joy. Remember, mindfulness is not about achieving a state of constant bliss or emptying the mind completely. It's a practice, a journey of gently guiding our attention back to the present moment whenever it wanders. Just like training a muscle, the more we practice mindfulness, the stronger and more resilient our ability to be present becomes. Let's paint a picture to understand this better. Imagine yourself nestled in a cozy corner of a bustling cafe. The air is filled with the vibrant hum of conversation, punctuated by the rhythmic clatter of dishes and the comforting hiss of the espresso machine. Take a moment to truly immerse yourself in your surroundings. Can you inhale the rich aroma of freshly brewed coffee, its warm scent swirling around you like an invisible embrace? Can you savor each bite of your food, consciously appreciating the symphony of flavors and textures dancing on your tongue? Or are these exquisite details lost in the whirlwind of your thoughts, your mind preoccupied with worries, plans, and mental chatter? This is precisely where mindfulness comes in. The cost of ignoring mindfulness. What happens when we neglect mindfulness and choose to live on autopilot? Imagine yourself behind the wheel, driving home after a long day at work. Your mind is on autopilot, replaying stressful meetings and looming deadlines. Suddenly, you realize you've arrived at your destination, but you have little to no recollection of the journey itself. The scenery, the changing traffic lights, the pedestrians crossing the street, all of it passed by in a blur, unnoticed and unappreciated. Scary, right? This is a stark example of what happens when we're not mindful. We miss out on the richness and beauty of the journey called life. Instead of being present in the here and now, we become consumed by the worries of the future or the regrets of the past. Our minds become like hamster wheels, endlessly churning out anxieties about what might happen or replaying painful memories of what has already occurred. We become slaves to our own mental chatter, constantly bombarded by thoughts and emotions that pull us away from the vibrant tapestry of the present moment. This disconnect from the present can manifest in various ways. We might find ourselves mindlessly scrolling through social media feeds, barely registering the content we're consuming. We might eat our meals without tasting them, or engage in conversations without truly listening to the other person. We might even miss out on important milestones and precious moments with loved ones because our minds are elsewhere. Living in this state of constant mental distraction not only robs us of joy and connection, but it can also have detrimental effects on our mental and physical health. Chronic stress, anxiety, and even depression can arise when we're perpetually caught up in our own minds. Mindfulness offers a powerful antidote to this modern-day malady. By cultivating present moment awareness, we can reclaim control of our attention and step off the hamster wheel of rumination and worry. We can learn to savor the simple pleasures of life, connect more deeply with ourselves and others, and navigate the challenges of life with greater resilience and clarity. So, how do we embark on this journey of mindfulness? Fortunately, it's simpler than you might think. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Number 1. Set aside dedicated time. Begin by carving out a few minutes each day for your mindfulness practice. Even 5 minutes can make a significant difference. Treat this time as sacred and non-negotiable, a space for you to reconnect with yourself and cultivate inner peace. Number 2. Find a quiet space. Choose a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be easily disturbed. This could be your bedroom, a peaceful corner in your living room, or even a quiet spot outdoors in nature. Number 3. Choose a comfortable posture. Sit comfortably with your back straight, either on a chair or on the floor with a cushion. You can keep your eyes open or gently close them, whichever feels more comfortable. Number 4. Focus on your breath. Bring your full attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your inhales and exhales. Feel the rise and fall of your chest and abdomen and the sensation of the air entering and leaving your nostrils. Don't try to control your breath in any way. Simply observe it with a sense of curiosity and acceptance. Number 5. Acknowledge distractions. It's perfectly normal for your mind to wander during your practice. When this happens, gently acknowledge the distraction without judgment. You can silently label it as thinking or wandering, and then redirect your attention back to your breath. Number 6. Be kind to yourself. Remember, mindfulness is a practice, not a destination. Don't be discouraged if your mind wanders frequently. The key is to be patient and kind to yourself. Each time you bring your attention back to your breath, you're strengthening your mindfulness muscle. Number 7. Expand your awareness. As you become more comfortable with focusing on your breath, you can gradually expand your awareness to include other aspects of your present moment experience. Notice the sensations in your body, the sounds around you, or even the thoughts and emotions arising within you. Simply observe them without judgment and with an open and curious mind. Number 8. Integrate mindfulness into daily life. Once you've established a regular mindfulness practice, start looking for opportunities to integrate mindfulness into your daily activities. Pay attention to the sensations of washing the dishes, walking to work, or eating your lunch. These everyday moments can become opportunities to cultivate presence and appreciation. Remember, mindfulness is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and enjoy the process of rediscovering the beauty and wonder of the present moment. So, take a deep breath, feel your feet grounded on the earth, and tune into the sights, sounds, and sensations around you. This simple act of mindfulness can make a world of difference in how you experience your life. Have you tried mindfulness before? How has it helped you? And if you haven't, are you willing to give it a try? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening videos. Stay mindful, and thank you for watching.